Sorry, what does that mean? I'm just trying to say, we both know what's been going on. We know the game and we're gonna play it. I just want to tell you how I feel. Gotta make you understand. I'm gonna give you all. I'm gonna let you down.
Speechless.
Everything that's happening is going, everybody's rushing. Get down to the bus stop.
I'm driving, cruising, fast lane, switching lanes with a car.
Okay, stop. Leave it. You're done. He has to live with it that way.
It's Friday, it's a weekend. We're gonna have fun. Come on, y'all.
Right? It's done. Yeah.
That's the way I like it, baby.